Oliver has the hiccups.
Next time, you just press.
Oh, honey.
What you doing, baby?
Having a haircut.
He likes some.
I don't know about that.
You make a beautiful haircut. How many babies have you?
That'll do.